how to research Amazon products. First question will pop up in your mind, that is why we need to do research for Amazon products. Its answer is we need to research for Amazon products because you can say that this product is good for Amazon store and this is not good. That's why we use these tools. These tools help us to check the availability of these products, the weather of the product, and we should launch that product or not. These tools help us to take the right decision for our business. Some tools are Helium 10, Viral Launch, and Merchant Words. These tools have more sub-tools. So in this video, I will show you two tools of Helium 10, Magnet and Black Box tool. I have a free version, so you can search 20 times in Black Box tool and two times in Magnet tool. So let's get started. First tool is the Black Box tool. You will open the first link in description. So you will select office category because it comes in it is the most selling category in Amazon, and it is also private label. So you will not go for cell phones and accessories, camera, because they have brand. Private label are products that has no brand. So you will go to office products, this. Now monthly revenue you will put 10,000, price 10, it's $10,000. Review count 100, review rating 4.5. Search. So it's searching, and this is, you will select the product that has both values in plus, like this one. It has both values in plus. So this is a good product for your Amazon store. So you will select deliver to this zip code, New York. It is used for researching. Second tool is the Magnet tool. For this you will select the second link in the description, so you can check like this office. You will not search office products category. You will see like lamp, office lamp. Let it load. It is redirecting us to the result page. Loading. So now you can see the office lamp, like this desk lamp, twin desk lamp, or color changing LED lamp, or this small bedroom lamps. You will go for small bedroom lamps. It is Amazon choice. This like corner shelf lamp. You can see any keyword and go for the top products in it like this, and hunt the products and research the products and put it on your store. Thank you.